Hello students, we are talking about the cotton textile. So let's continue it. Today we will talk about the main problems of cotton textile industries. Students, if you remember that India exports all the byproducts such as the raw fabric, yarn, fabric and garments. So it is just not one product which is exported by India, but many such products exported according to the demands. India export yarn to Japan. Other importers of cotton goods from India are USA, UK, which is United Kingdom, Russia, France, and East European countries like Nepal, Sri Lanka, Singapore, and the African countries. Now let's talk about the major problems faced by cotton textile mills in India. The first one, low output of labor. It means the productivity of labor is very low in this industry, and cotton textile industry needs a support of high quality and cost effective cloth processing facilities. Modernization of industries is must. Next problem is people of India still using traditional techniques, which is slowing down the productivity. Another problem of cotton textile industry is facing stiff competition from the synthetic fiber industry. Synthetic fibers are man-made fiber and it is easier and much faster to produce. Therefore, synthetic fiber is high in demand in the market. Next is the cotton textile industry is affected by the continuous power supply. The large industries have power back, but the small industry find power generating units very expensive. Sometimes it faced poor government policies, facilities like water, power, road, it is given in the terms. And sometimes the other facilities like import-export policies, sudden changes in customs and excise duties also affect the cotton textile industries.